Okay, right now we are making up bacteria plates so that they can swab their bacteria. Is that right?
Yep.
Okay. So we're taking the agar and boiling it so that it gets clean, and then we're gonna pour them into the plates so that they can harden.
Okay, watch.
Now you're gonna... All right, so this is the sneeze chamber that we've built in order to test out how far a sneeze is going to travel. So these are the agar plates that we were making yesterday. So this is what it looks like dry. It's clear, but there's like a jelly on it. So we're gonna take these, and everywhere there's tape, if you can see, that's where we're gonna be setting a plate. Everybody in a class is gonna have one. So you're gonna set those on there, and then you're gonna stand on this X, and then you'll just spray it like a sneeze. And then we're gonna see how far a sneeze would travel behind you, to the side of you, and in front of you. So we're gonna do that. So here's the bacteria that we'll be putting in there. It's kind of gross, but here it is.
3 and 4 definitely.
Right here.
Away.
Yeah, don't put it directly on the nozzle.
Yeah.
That's very good.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, it went back.
It went to you.
That's all plate one, baby. That's all plate one.
Okay.
That looked like a plate.
That's it.
Full hearted.
And
Nice.
you're supposed to say hi.
What did you girls learn from this experiment?
So wash your hands and cover your sneeze with your elbow like this.
What did you girls learn from this experiment?
Wear a mask.
Wash your hands.
Cover your sneeze.
What you guys learn from this experiment?
Cover your sneeze and wash your hands. Masks help a lot.
Don't use Germ-X. Bacteria loves that thing.
Alicia?
Washing your hands is the best way to get rid of germs. Today in chemistry class, we learned that you should always cover your sneeze.
Wow.
But you...